Breaking update coming in Haryana government, 75% quota in private jobs for locals have been put on hold by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. It has in fact put the stay on the 75% private jobs quota for locals, which the government had in fact announced. Let me go across to my colleague Gurpreet for more on this. Gurpreet, does this come as a bit of a setback at the moment for the Haryana government, because it has in fact been put on hold by the High Court?
We have seen that BJP, under the pressure of JJP, had already passed this bill and saying that 75% quota is given to Haryana youth for appointment and for employment within the districts also. And since this law has been passed by the Haryana government, we have seen a lot of industries, they were opposing, and they were saying that it's not genuine because they need skilled workers also, and the work and the procedure is more tedious to get approval from the local administration, from the deputy commissioner, and to get approval from the various inspectors. And so, keeping in view of all these things, finally, these industries, they had approached the Punjab and Haryana High Court, where this case was going on. And today, what we have learned that finally the court has put a stay on all the proceedings of the law, and for the time being, it has been put on stay that this quota will not be implemented in Haryana at all. But yes, of course, it's a huge setback for specifically for JJP, because Dushyant Chautala, he has been mounting a lot of pressure on BJP, and we have seen that when this law was on the way to get a final green stamp from the governor of Haryana, a lot of BJP netas, they were also opposing this law, because somewhere down the lane they feel that industrialists will not be able to get benefit out of this quota system, because they need to hire skilled labor from the various parts of country. And at the same time, the BJP has a very clear-cut agenda: one nation, one country. So for that, it was totally opposing there. So finally, this the stay has been put on this thing, and it's a huge setback for the BJP government, JJP government in Haryana.
Right, Gurpreet, this is, of course, an important development which comes in from the High Court. Thank you so much for joining us with that update coming in.